Okay, today we are doing the law of sines. You will notice right here is the formula for law of sines. It's not too bad. You definitely want to write that down in your notes and then draw this triangle below. And what we'll do is we'll orient all the pieces so we know what is going where. Like here is angle A. Again, capital letters always designate angles. And then the lowercase letters designate sides. Now you'll notice that opposite side A, angle A is side A. Opposite angle B is side B. And opposite angle C is side C. So capital letters are the vertices or the angles, and the lowercase letters are the sides. Write this down, pause it if you need to write them, but we want to do 2 practice questions. Okay, here's our first one. Given some information, we need to find the missing side, side C. It's a lowercase. So what I'll do is I'm going to draw a triangle. I'm going to label it A, B, C. And we know that angle A is 123, and angle B, that should be capital B, is equal to 41 degrees. Let's see, little a is 10, so this side is 10, it's opposite the A, and we need to find this side here, side C. Well, we know in a triangle all the angles must add up to 180. So if I were to subtract the 2 angles we were given, we will wind up with 16 degrees. So this is 16 degrees. Now we're going to do law of sines. And whenever you do law of sines, you want to make sure you've got a winning pair. In other words, you want to make sure you've got an angle and a side opposite of it. You know both of those. If you have that, we can do law of sines. So I'm going to write this out. The sine of 123 over 10 equals, now we're trying to find this, right? Trying to find what side C is. So I'm going to say the sine of 16 degrees over C. Now to solve for C, we're going to cross multiply. And then we'll divide both sides by sine of 123. These will cancel out. We use our calculator. Make sure you are in degrees, right? And we wind up with about 3.29 for side C. Not too bad. Let's do one more. Again, pause it if you need to see what's going on and write it down. Otherwise, let's go on to the next one. Okay, again, information we're given. Now we want to find side A and side C. So again, draw yourself a triangle, label it, put in the information you're given. Okay, we need to find the missing pieces, right? We need to find out what side A is and side C. Well, again, to work this out, I think we need to know what angle B is, right? So we're going to take 180 and subtract the 2 angles that were given. We wind up with 17 degrees. So now we can work this out because now we've got a winning pair, right? We've got an angle and a side opposite it. So law of sines. And I think the first one I'm going to do is here, sine of 95 over a. So we're going to solve this by cross multiplying. And we'll divide by sine of 17. Use our calculator. Again, remember that we need to be in degree mode, and we wind up with 391.84. Okay, now we'll do another law of sines to get what side C is. Again, we'll take the winning pair we were given, sine of 17 over 115. And that will equal the sine of 68 over C, right? Because these are the two pieces we're dealing with now. Cross multiply. Divide by sine of 17. And we wind up with C equaling 364.69. This is the law of sines. Hope you enjoy working it through.